Ever wished you could sing like a pro without actually singing? What if I told you there is an AI that can turn your voice into a full blown song, lyrics, instruments, vibe, all just in one click? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Suno AI to create music with your own voice, even if you're not a singer. This step-by-step tutorial will cover everything from recording to generating a full track with AI magic. So let's dive in. First of all, simply head over to suno.com and sign in with your Google account. You will get 50 credits for free if you wish to upgrade your account. So you can upgrade to the Pro plan, that is $8 per month, and the Premier plan is $24 per month. But the free plan has enough credits to test it out. If you like the results, then you can upgrade to the Pro and Premier plan if you really want that. So now I'm going to show you how you can use your own voice in order to generate a song in Suno AI. So here at the left panel, you're going to head over to the Create tab and you will be redirected to your workspace. So over here, you'll be able to see two options, Simple and Custom. In Simple, you're going to simply describe your song like energetic medieval song about stargazing talks. So you can simply just click on this random button and it will automatically tell you some kind of things like what kind of song you should create. You can also add any audio, lyrics, instrumental. You can give it inspiration, that what kind of inspiration should the song have. And then you can simply upload your audio by clicking over here. You can either upload audio or record here in Suno at the runtime. So I uploaded this audio as a sample. You can either click on start over if you didn't like it, or you can simply click on save. And after that, it's gonna upload that clip and you can simply cover audio in any song style. You can extend the audio or you can save to library to use it in future songs. Now you can see that the uploading has been completed. You can head over, click on continue, and now you can see that the audio has been uploaded. You can head over, click on create. So this is basically the simple version. You can select the Suno version from here. You can see there is version 4.5, that is the latest one that is in beta right now, 4.5 plus and 4.5, 4, 3.5, 3, and 2. So 2 is a bit vintage, 3 is older, 3.5 has better songs. 4, 4.5, and 4.5 plus are all the pro versions. So we're going to go with 3.5 for now. So you can simply head over, click on create. The other one is custom. In custom, you have entire flexibility from song lyrics to persona. You can do everything you want. You can simply type in your own lyrics, like you can give it by line or you can give it a full song. So you can simply type in your lyrics. You can simply click on right here and type in anything you want, or you can ask the AI to generate a song for you. Click on right here and the AI will generate any random song for you. You can also give it a title so that AI can use the title and generate the lyrics regarding that title. You can change the classic model over here by clicking over here and you can select the model you want. You can see that Remy 1 is not available in Co-Writer Editor, but it is the really newest and most creative model. It may generate content that some find offensive. So for now, you can simply use classic and then you can click on save changes. Once done, you can simply select whether you want it to be instrumental or not, but instrumental one does not include your audio. That would be totally background music like instrumental versions. If you want to create a song out of your audio, then you gotta toggle this off. And after that, simply select your audio. We're gonna select the audio that we just uploaded before. After that, we have some more options such as styles, what kind of styles you want the song to have, such as indie rock, hell, surf rock, K-pop, Latin, Thai pop. You can select anything you want according to your own choice. And then we have some new advanced options, so you can select how much weirdness you want in it and how much style influence you want. Just like if you have ever used 11 Labs, it's just like that. And then we have more options such as what kind of song title you want and where you wish to save it. Once done, you can simply head over, click on create, and simply wait for Suno AI to generate the music for you. And over here at the right side, you'll be able to see Suno AI generated the songs for you. There'll be two outputs, so you can play each one and see which one you like the most, so you can simply download and go on with that. So now let's head over and play the outputs. First is this one.
Down the avenue, feeling fine. A cool breeze whispers.
Well, it completely changed my voice. So we're gonna go with the second one over here and let's see the output. Talking about the morning, you feeling fine. City lights glimmer in the night. Everything feels just right. Well, it's okay, but if you just tweak in a bit more edits and just put it some a bit more style influence and weirdness, it can be even better. So you can simply head over and download the one you want. You can simply click on these three dots and head over, click and download the version you want. You can download in the form of MP3 or WAV, but that is the pro version, and you can also generate the video of it. So that's basically how you can create a song out of your voice using Suno AI. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.